Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 18th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.27. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.75%. This equates to an average return of 0.25% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and gentle upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 10.04% to 23.02%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 19.52%. Based on these calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 11.26% to 90.99% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $294.72 and $634.31. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Tesla stock price gained 1.1% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, rising from $328.49 to $332.11. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.31%, moving from a low of $321.55 to a high of $335.40. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 11.52% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with 3 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 77 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $25.42 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the price is 32.02%, or $156.43, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla Incorporated has encountered significant challenges recently, with second quarter electric vehicle registrations in California decreasing by over 21%. This decline raises concerns regarding Tesla's market share and consumer demand, especially as traditional automotive giants like General Motors intensify their electric vehicle initiatives, highlighting their commitment to electric vehicles as their guiding principle. Investors are preparing for Tesla's upcoming earnings report, with sentiment characterized as cautious. Analysts suggest that while the company might not present impressive short-term results, the focus among investors is shifting towards Tesla's long-term potential in artificial intelligence and autonomy, particularly with CEO Elon Musk leading the way. Moreover, Tesla's battery division is anticipating possible impacts from geopolitical tensions, particularly concerning tariffs that could endanger its manufacturing and supply chain. As Tesla navigates these challenges, market analysts are optimistic about the possibility of recovery if the artificial intelligence initiatives succeed. In the short term, this negative registration data could place downward pressure on stock prices, as investors might respond to perceived weakening demand. On the other hand, if Tesla can effectively pivot to highlight innovation and address its registration challenges, it may support a recovery in the longer term, potentially uplifting its stock as confidence in its future prospects strengthens amidst a shifting technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Tesla an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush gave Tesla a positive grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned Tesla a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark rated Tesla with a buy grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave Tesla a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $322.72 and $319.41. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 8.48%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 39 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 112 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $295.14 and $284.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $295.14. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $284.95 and $284.70. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $13.85 between its high and low, or 4.31%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.28%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.4. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $334.07. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $295.14. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2025, James Murdoch conducted an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, James Murdoch also executed an insider sale of 90,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which provide the right to buy. On the 7th of July, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja sold 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. The following day, on the 8th of July, Vaibhav Taneja sold 2,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. On the 7th of July, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja also bought 4,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.249. Overall, insiders purchased 1,101,482 shares and sold 2,802,883 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $313.25, which reflects a decline of 5.68%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 38 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla displays several positive indicators and is currently in a mild upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we consider it to be a favorable option at these levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has upgraded this stock's classification from a hold to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, we expect Tesla to open lower by $2.43, beginning trading at $329.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.